What's up guys, Rick the Honest Mechanic, and I've got a quick little trick for you guys. So over here, we've got our 2009 Subaru, had the windshield removed because it was all cracked up, and we had a couple of rock chips at the front of the lip here, and what it was doing was causing some blistering of the paint, looking terrible, and I was worried about the paint, of course, causing more rust, and so obviously what you see here is our base coat clear coat. And this was my final shot of base coat, or sorry, of clear coat, and it's all hazy. It looks terrible. Now, a simple fix for that will be using our heat gun. Now, normally, to fix this issue, you would have to sit here with some wet sanding and spend a whole pile of hours doing this to try and get it all corrected, maybe buff it out after you're done. Or like I say, you can grab your heat gun on a low setting. So I've already started over here, see what happened, and I wanted to show you real time here. You don't want to go too close, you just kind of want to keep the area. You might be wondering what's causing all this hazing. Well, we've had rain for the last 3 or 4 days, so it's super humid. So what it is, it's a bunch of humidity inside that clear coat. So if you take your time, you'll see that it starts to clear up. Right there. Getting all nice and shiny. Now, I've only got the rest of the roof to do.